Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this lesson, we're going to have a look at how diphenhydramine is synthesized. So I'm going to just write here synthesis of diphenhydramine. Diphenhydramine, I'm sure when we were young, or perhaps even during our adult life as well, that we probably get this drug. We probably take this drug. Sometimes it's called Benadryl as a cough syrup, or I think it's called, another name is Benylin, if I'm mistaken, Benylin, something like that. Okay, and usually it's like people will just call it as like the black cough syrup, and it's quite effective. It's the older generation of anti-histamine, so it's good to relieve cough, especially when when you keep coughing too much and it hurts your chest. And diphenhydramine will help in terms of reducing the coughing. So it's a cough suppressant, and it's also good for allergy reaction as well. All right, so in this case, I'm going to show you how diphenhydramine is synthesized. So diphenhydramine can start from this molecule. This can also be represented as just pH or phenol. Okay, and then it undergoes bromination. So you have bromine, Br2, and light. It's a free radical reaction, and what happens is that this, rather than CH2, it gets to be, I'm going to just Br. Okay. So once you have this, it makes things much easier. These bromine species can then act with this dimethyl aminoethanol, CH2, CH2OH. It's a bit off, this one, but it's okay. So once it's acted with the dimethyl, right here, dimethyl aminoethanol, okay, it will then form I'm going to replace this ring with a pH only, so it makes things much easier. Sorry, that's wrong. Okay, so CHO. Okay, so in this case, what happens is most likely it'll be a nucleophilic substitution reaction, and CH2, CH2, and dimethyl, and then you have the phenol ring and another one as well here. So that's diphenhydramine. Okay, then just here substitution reaction. Okay, so first, only two steps in general, starting from this starting material, and then on treatment of light, these species can be brominated to form the bromo species, yeah, and then it can then react via the nucleophilic substitution reaction with this dimethyl aminoethanol, and then what you get is diphenhydramine. Okay, and HBr. This is what you call not really a multi-step, I would say, because usually multi-step would be 3 and more, but this is a 2-step synthesis of diphenhydramine. That's one. And the first reaction proceeded under light, bromination, and the second reaction here proceeded. I'm gonna just put, okay, under nucleophilic substitution reaction. But this one, which type of the SN? Is it 1 or 2? I'm gonna ask you in my lecture. Yep, that's how simple is the synthesis of diphenhydramine. So thank you for watching. I see you in the lecture.